Hi, I'm Priya. I'm a computer science graduate student working in the Design and Intelligence Lab at Georgia Institute of Technology. The Design and Intelligence Lab is developing several AI agents to help improve the learning outcomes of students in online classrooms. And in this video, I'll give a brief synopsis of one such agent that aims to enhance social presence in such classrooms.
Online classrooms typically have hundreds or even thousands of students who may not ever meet each other in person. They may not even see each other digitally, as instruction is often asynchronous. As a result, students have no or very limited social interaction or social presence. Since learning is as much a social process as it is a cognitive process, this presents a serious challenge in online education. To meet this challenge, the Design and Intelligence Lab has developed an AI agent named Sammy to promote student-to-student interactions in online classrooms. Sammy is an acronym for Social Agent Mediated Interactions. Sammy performs this task by ingesting self-introduction posts posted by the students in the class discussion forum and using natural language processing and knowledge-based AI to match students based on shared identity such as location and personal and academic interests. These matches are then offered to students who can then follow up by initiating contacts. Before proceeding further, I would like to introduce the team that is developing Sammy. The team works under the guidance of Professor Ashok Goel, who leads the Design and Intelligence Lab. Sandeep Kakkar, a research scientist, is the project lead. Chelsea Wong, Christopher Griswold, Chris Lin, An Wu, Mustafa Tekman, Chidima Ani, Joy Sen, Patrick Westerwald, and I are students working collaboratively on various aspects of Sammy. We are now routinely deploying Sammy in about half a dozen computer science classes with about 2,500 students at Georgia Tech every semester. Sammy is deployed both in a class discussion forum such as ED as well as in Slack, which provides a conversational format. Our team is addressing several research questions pertaining to Sammy. Does Sammy help online learners form social connections, and how effective is it in performing this task? Does Sammy increase a student's sense of belonging to the classroom community? Does Sammy lead to better team formations for classroom tasks? To answer these questions, we have conducted student surveys to gauge Sammy's effectiveness. We find that students did form connections based on shared identity deciphered by Sammy. Moreover, students reported that the shared identity highlighted by Sammy fosters a sense of belonging in the classroom community. As to Sammy's effectiveness in helping students form online communities, the results were mixed. 8% of students in the survey connected with more than 5 students, 20% connected with less than 5 students, 53% did not connect at all. In general, we find that familial and work obligations and academic load impact student desire to form connections. In general, students cite help with academics like forming study groups and teams for group projects, professional networking, and emotional support as the 3 common motivators for forming connections. We conducted another survey in a class with a group project and one that had Sammy deployed. In this survey, we asked students how they form teams. 20% of 61 respondents formed teams based on in-person connections. 20% used Sammy's recommendations. 60% used a combination of in-person connections and Sammy's recommendations. 76% reached out to connections recommended by Sammy. 66% responded to a student who reached out to them following Sammy's recommendations. These results, although preliminary, are promising, and we are delving deeper into the dynamics of team formation as it relates to SAMI. Finally, we have an exciting development roadmap for SAMI. In particular, some of the directions we are exploring are improving the matchmaking algorithm, incorporating student personality and sentiment analysis in the matchmaking algorithm, personalizing SAMI's interaction for each student, and evaluating SAMI's performance.